last chance, no beating around the bush.
I don't know. I don't remember.
Blake Production.
Yo, alright, this is going to be the Bitcoin and Ethereum breakdown. In my opinion, these guys are like the crypto market leaders. So this is kind of forecasting my overall outlook on like the entire market. So it's going to be a bullish video. I'm not leaning bearish, but I'm just going to point out a few spots where we could come back to right off the hop. So we might come back down to this like 48K range in Bitcoin, just because in my opinion that was the previous supply zone, major supply zone that we needed to get over. So if this bearish action does continue, I think we could lean and come back into there, but that's if the bearish action continues. I'm more bullish right now. I think we could be seeing the bottom of this small pullback right now. So I'm going to zoom in to the 4-hour time frame. And as you could see, there's kind of a descending channel happening here. So I'm thinking we're going to break out of this range soon and then get some sort of a push towards this upper trend line, which is the daily time frame's main pattern that I'm seeing. It might not be that sharp, but I'm looking for us to regain the 8 EMA and then push our way up towards this upper trend line. So this major pattern here is kind of a megaphone or a broadening wedge, you could say, either way, right? But I like what we're seeing here. This is on the log chart, by the way. So it's just very clean, right? We're sort of falling back in a structured way back to previous all-time high range, right? We're just slowly pulling back. No extreme flush like we see here, right, back in May. So I'm leaning that we're just pulling back. We need some fear in the market, right? So if you've noticed, we've had like major fear in the market pretty much 3 times since July, right? In Bitcoin, this is major fear zones right here. Another one, and it's all against this lower trend line. So in my opinion, I think that we're going to get another bounce here. And this might be the last one for that big push, but we'll see, right? Like, this is just my bullish like point of view, but I like what we're seeing here, and I'm looking for us to get to that upper trend line in the coming weeks, hopefully by the end of December. Similar thing with Ethereum, except I'm leaning more bullish just because it's so clean. Again, we're on the log chart, but it's coming straight back to previous supply and demand zones, right? It's too clean. Once we break up over this trend line that's holding us back, I think that's our major sign that we're gonna get a push. I like the morning star reversal that could be happening right now, and that could lead us to the next push. So we'll see. But overall, that's my point of view and overall breakdown of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So because I'm leaning more bullish on all these, I am leaning bullish on another one. I'll pull up one more chart, and this is just one of the metaverse coins that I've seen, right? I kind of like this chart right now. So this is what I see overall here, right? We had this kind of range kind of holding us back. We're starting to get that back test now, right? And we might be curling up here to get that push. It's a clean uptrend. We had that big push, and then this is our consolidation. It creates this nice ascending triangle pattern. So it's following the 8 EMA nicely, and I think we might be getting another leg up, especially because we've shaken out a lot of people with all this fear in the market. So I wouldn't be surprised if we see Mana potentially hit around 758 in the next few weeks here. So those are kind of a few different outlooks I'm thinking of the crypto market. Peace, guys.